Good morning. How y'all doing today? Um, where I am, it's morning. Where you are, who knows what it is because we watch YouTube videos at all different times, right? But for me, it's morning time, and I'm going to tell you today what I start the day out with. My first drink of the morning, the first thing I put into my body. Now we all have our different preferences on what that's going to be, and I myself have gone through many different phases on what that first thing is. So I used to do apple cider vinegar in the morning. I'm still all about that. That's cool. I start the morning with mostly liquids. I drink liquids pretty much, like, it's rare that I eat in the morning before like 10 a.m. I kind of disagree with that whole idea that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I think the morning is a great opportunity to get many things into your body before your digestion really starts. And so nowadays, my first drink of the morning, I like to do something that hopefully will alkalize my body. Used to be lemon water. A lot of people do lemon water. This is kind of a hybrid of lemon water. This is lemon water or lime. You guys know how much I love lemon and lime. With baking soda, a teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm going to show you how to make that now. The perks of this stuff, lemon water, even though it's acid, apparently when it goes into your body, it has an alkalizing effect on your body if you just drink lemon water. Many different things turn your body alkaline or acidic, or help, contribute to produce an alkaline or an acidic ash. The verdict is out how much they make your body alkaline or acid. Your body does regulate that on its own, but you might as well help it along, right? Baking soda is very alkaline on its own. The other nice things about it, I think it's delicious. It's like soda, right? This is baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. And so it gives a fun little soda effect in the morning. You could even get wild. I've been known to do it and put a few like stevia drops or something like that in and actually make a little soda. But I usually don't do that in the morning. I find that just these two combined with filtered water is the jam. And that's how I start my day. It's a great way to kind of just establish a nice base level of alkalinity in your body. And then I move on from there. And again, I take advantage of the morning to be able to put other things in. Like the next step is usually magnesium hydroxide. I let this settle in a little, put in a little magnesium hydroxide in there. And then have some iced tea. It is important what kind of baking soda you get. Baking soda is very cheap. I did a lot of research at one time. What is the difference between the super cheap baking soda and like the little more kind of marketed baking soda? And what I have found out is the little more marketed baking soda is mine. So it's actually coming from a natural place. Whereas the other stuff, I believe, it's been a while since I've done the research, is synthesized or it's kind of made through chemistry. Personally, you could go either way on that one, right? But I go for the mine stuff. Let's just get right into this. Cool. So we got our lemon. I put a little filter on there so we don't drink the seeds. All right. Get as much out of it as you can. Get another lemon. I mean, you could get wild and mix them. Sometimes I do a little more lemon, but usually one lemon is sufficient. And then, gang, that twofer. You know what I'm going to do now. I use this. Boom. Up in the pits, start the day right for no stink. Check out the other video, but this is the twofer in effect, right? All right, this part, super fun, the baking soda. I rarely measure things. I just do it on a tip of a spoon, and I probably go like, gosh, half or less of a teaspoon. I wouldn't go more than a teaspoon. So boom, check this out, ready? Boom, chemistry. Look at that. That is fun. That is some fun stuff happening. So it gets all foamy. So then this is when I've already got some filtered water, so we can just stay right here. And then boom, I'm just going to fill this up about halfway in that jar. Bam, look at that. Doesn't that look fun to drink? It's all fuzzy. So bam, there we go. It's just that easy. It's nice, fizzy, fun way to start the day. I like it. I think it's super tasty. Play with the different amounts of citrus and baking soda. Again, I wouldn't go much over a teaspoon. And a lot of people are getting down on this for super cleansing and all sorts of wild stuff. They say it helps your skin. I just did it because I thought it was a nice alkalizing way to start the day. I thought it was a nice energetic way to start the day. Cheers. Thanks for checking out our videos. Check out other videos if you want to see how to make magnesium bicarbonate water. I got another video doing that. If you want to see how to have, clean armpits with lemons, got another video about that. So check us out, subscribe, consider rocking our Patreon. There is a link in the description. But cheers, thanks for watching. Mwah. Ciao, much love, have a great day.